Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you check for the available storage on your GoPro Hero 12 Black. Okay, now just turn on our GoPro. Okay, after you turn on your GoPro, just scroll down like this and then scroll to the right, and you will see your SD card information here. For example, now you will see my SD card is 42 GB, and then I already used the 4 GB 4.97, and you can also press connect the SD card. So just press cancel. If you press delete, it will delete all your files, so don't play with that button. So just keep it here and you will see the available storage here. So that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can check your available storage on your SD card in this GoPro Hero 12 Black. And now, thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.